Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your digital content with Canva, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Canva account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Choose the type of content you want to create, such as social media posts, presentations, or infographics. Utilize the search bar to find specific templates that match your needs. Select a template that resonates with your brand or message. Once the template opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the editing interface. Begin by customizing the text to reflect your brand's voice and style. Change the font style, size, and color to match your branding guidelines. To add your own images, click on the Uploads tab and upload your files. Drag and drop your images into the design, replacing the template images as needed. Adjust the positioning and size of your images for a balanced layout. Explore the Elements tab to find icons, shapes, and graphics that complement your design. Incorporate these elements strategically to enhance your content's visual appeal. To ensure a consistent look across multiple pieces of content, use the Brand Kit feature if available. This allows you to save your brand colors, fonts, and logos for easy access. When you're satisfied with your design, check for alignment and spacing. Canva provides guides to help you align your elements correctly. Use the download button to export your design in the desired format, such as PNG or PDF. Consider optimizing your designs for different platforms by using Canva's resize feature. This allows you to create multiple versions with just one click. Always keep your audience in mind while designing. Clarity and engagement are key. Review your content to ensure it matches your strategy and objectives. Finally, share your content across your chosen platforms, leveraging Canva's sharing options. This is how you can effectively scale your digital content using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.